Good morning. It's Tuesday, July 18th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. No precipitation over the state of Georgia this morning. We have mostly clear skies, but it is hazy and smoky out there. And yes, those are from the wildfires in Canada. That smoke has kind of slid down the eastern side of the mountains down into Georgia, and we have smoke pretty much all across the state. Here's a look at the smoke density chart. You can see North Georgia with the most dense smoke, but spilling down in the southwest Georgia. We're going to expect this to slide toward the east as we move through the day today and into tomorrow. Then a little blast of surface wind will completely push it out of northwest Georgia as we head toward Thursday. But an air quality alert is in effect for metro Atlanta and parts of northwest Georgia. Really the perfect storm around Atlanta, hot, humid, and that smoke's going to make breathing very difficult for those sensitive groups there. So just keep that in mind around the city and really throughout the state today as well. I mean, it's not going to be pleasant anywhere. All right, temperatures look like this. We have mid-70s, low 70s over most of the state, some 60s up in extreme North Georgia. Atlanta's at 75, as well as Albany, Savannah, and Brunswick checking in at 77 and 73 in Columbus. Severe weather outlook. The Storm Prediction Center is going to go ahead and upgrade northwest Georgia to a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. This is going to be late tonight, so most of us will just see mostly sunny skies today. Round of thunderstorms move in tonight after about 9 o'clock this evening. In parts of northwest Georgia, continues to slide toward the North Georgia mountains, so some of those could go strong to severe, and then they continue to push toward the southeast through the morning hours. Keep in mind, this map takes us until tomorrow morning, so for today, we're going to be pretty much thunderstorm-free, and then tomorrow, general thunderstorm risk across most of the state of Georgia, and as we head into Thursday, another level 1 out of 5 risk. Metro Atlanta northbound, mainly north of I-20, and that does cover all the CSRA, and then up into the North Georgia mountains. So strong to severe thunderstorms possible tonight, and then another batch coming in on Thursday. Let's take a look at the modeling. Not much going on this morning. We head toward the afternoon hours. It's going to be hard to keep those thunderstorms away completely. We just have so much heat and humidity out there. So we'll see a couple of thunderstorms start to pop up. Looks like our best chance is going to be up around Jefferson, Gainesville, Athens, Lake Lanier, in North Metro Atlanta, down into Gwinnett. Maybe some thunderstorms popping up in parts of Middle and South Georgia as well. And you can see some strong thunderstorms under the logo there up to the northwest, beginning to move into northern Alabama, East Tennessee, as we head into the evening hours. As I mentioned, by 8, 9 o'clock tonight, we see those storms. Let me back up again. This is 8 o'clock, start to move into northwest Georgia, and some of those could be strong to severe, and then they will continue to slide in toward the mountains by about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock tonight. After midnight tonight, still some thunderstorms lingering around. They continue to drop off toward the east. We may start off with a few showers tomorrow morning between Athens and Augusta, down into Washington and into Lake Oconee. And then through the day tomorrow, thunderstorms are likely up in northwest Georgia, Metro Atlanta through the day, and then that line continues to slide southeast towards southeast Georgia and the coastline by tomorrow evening. Let's head into Thursday. A little more cloud cover, showers, thunderstorms likely. This will bring our temperatures down just a bit. Still going to feel very hot and humid out there, so we're still going to watch those heat index values as we move through the day on Thursday, and still some thunderstorms around by Thursday evening. By the way, I looked at some of the forecast models all the way through the end of the month, and just about every day, there's one day that we may not see heat index values above 100 in the state of Georgia, but other than that, every day through the end of the month. So if you're waiting for a break in this heat wave, it's not going to happen in July. Every day is going to be very hot and humid, unfortunately. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.